Hello, welcome back to Sapne News Time, and today we will discuss about Unlock 1.0. We are back to normal but with restrictions. Unlock 1.0 is almost here after over 2 months of complete lockdown in order to prevent the coronavirus pandemic from spreading. The government has now decided to get things back to normal but with certain restrictions and guidelines that were issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs on Thursday. This advisory was issued for shopping malls, religious places, offices, hotels, and restaurants. The general guidelines include that everyone should maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet and wearing masks is compulsory. Respiratory etiquettes should be strictly followed, along which spitting is prohibited. People who are above the age of 65, children below the age of 10, and women who are pregnant are advised to stay at home. Specific markings in order to maintain proper queues are made compulsory everywhere, along with the proper staff who will supervise the entire process. From the number of people allowed in an elevator at a given time to the maximum temperature of the air conditioner, everything has been fixed in the guidelines issued by the government. Effective and continuous sanitation process has been made compulsory to perform at the public places. Along with this, the government has also issued specific guidelines for specific places. Like when you are visiting a religious place, you have to carry your own mats. There will be no physical offering like prasad or holy water, and no one will be allowed to touch any books or ideals. For restaurants, takeaway should be encouraged, and the thermal screening for all the staff and especially the one going out for delivery has been made compulsory. These are just few of the guidelines that are issued by MHA for Unlock 1.0. The only role we as a citizen can play is by supporting the government and following the rules. Stay home, stay safe, and if you go out, don't forget to wear your mask and keep your sanitizer with you. Thank you.